Chris is showing off, and you can walk around him. We're walking under an underpass or something, I guess. We're walking somewhere else now. Yeah! Pat has green Powerade. Ah, we can walk. Okay, so we're walking down to the bank where Chris goes, and we still don't know what we're doing, we still have no plans, we're just doing stuff. Yep. Ah! Hey!